Hey, thanks for watching. I want to try to explain the stitches I am showing you on YouTube, not only in Dutch but also in English. So today I'm going to start with the checkerboard stitch. As you can see, it looks like checkerboard. And this stitch is only using the double crochet and a single crochet. So I'm going to show you how you can achieve this pattern. Okay, so you need your yarn, a crochet hook. I have a crochet hook of 5mm, and the pattern is for a multiple of 6 and then plus 5. So I'm doing 18 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So when you want to make your work, it always has to be a multiple of 6. And then plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then skip 3 chains, and in the 4th stitch you do a double crochet, and in the next stitch a double crochet, and then chain 2, skip 2 chains, and in the next 3 stitches you'll do 1 double crochet. So there's always a group of 3 double crochets next to each other. And then again chain 2, skip 2, and then a double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then again chain 2, skip 1, 2 stitches, and in the next 3 stitches you need to do 1 double crochet. Okay, then again chain 2. We have left with 1, 2, 3 stitches. In the last stitch you need to do 1 double crochet. This is the base of your checkerboard stitch. Now we're going to do round 2, and from here on it's every row is the same as row 2. Chain 3, turn your work, and in the opening here you're going to do 2 double crochet, because the chain 3 on the beginning is your first double crochet. Then we need to do chain 2, and in the next opening we do 3 double crochet. And 3. So there's always a group of 3 double crochet next to each other. And then chain 2, and the next opening you have to do 3 double crochet. If I'm going too fast, then just stop the video or rewind it and see where you have left with your crocheting. So there's 3 double crochet, you need to chain 2 again, and in the next opening, this is the last one, you have to do 3 double crochet. Actually this is a very mindless thing to crochet if you get the hang of it. Then chain 2, and in the last double crochet, so this is your first, you can see it on the V's over here, this is your second, and this is your third. So in the last one you have to do a double crochet. Make sure you get it through both of the loops here. A double crochet. So you see the groups of 3 double crochet are always well, you can see what I mean, I hope. I don't know how to say it in English. I'm sorry. So the last row I'm going to show you is the same as you did on row 2. So a chain 3, and then in the first opening 2 double crochet, because the chain 3 is counting as a first double crochet. Then chain 2, in the next opening 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, chain 2, in the next opening 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, chain 2, in the last opening 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, again chain 2, and in the last stitch, so your first, second, you'll skip, and in the last one you do 1 double crochet. So that's all to it to make this checkerboard stitch. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to make another video also in English for you. See you soon. Bye bye.